Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 1st to 5th December 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as we can see 0.03% positive move, 1.15986 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any such videos that I upload on my channel. So currently, your important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, we don't need to mark any such levels. Let's straight talk about the closing first. So here, 1.15986 was the closing. Here, the direct support is 1.155500 and direct resistance is 1.16000. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15079 and then 1.14583. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16457 and then 1.16827. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias and also with the help of the overall trend. So let's also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two platform links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon code for Blueberry Funded. You can get a discount on the challenges that you buy from Blueberry Funded. If you don't know what is funded account or platform, I have already made a dedicated video on what is platform, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move in this end, that is 1.1600 to 1.16457. I'm expecting a closing in this end. If you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.15500 gets breached and a 1 day candle or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, and we can go for a short till 1.15079. Overall, my expectations are a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.